Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our 9th and final video in the Louisiana Highway 18 series. We begin at the Sunshine Bridge in St. James Parish and enter the census-designated place of Lemannville, which had a population of 860 at the 2010 census. This portion of LA-18 has been mostly bypassed by LA-70 and LA-3089 into Donaldsonville. Midway through Lemannville, we enter Ascension Parish. Because this section of highway follows a remote bend in the river, and there's not much beyond the immediate community, this part of the road doesn't see much traffic. As we get beyond the populated area, the road is visibly less maintained due to lack of use. This point on the river, known as Point Homus, is mainly used for farming. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos. We pass through the unincorporated community of Abed. No census data is provided for Abed. We enter the city of Donaldsonville, the parish seat of Ascension Parish. Donaldsonville had an estimated population of 8,281 as of 2018. Donaldsonville's historic district has what has been described as the finest collection of buildings from the antebellum era to 1933 of any of the Louisiana river towns above New Orleans. After the Civil War, in 1868, Donaldsonville residents elected as mayor Pierre Calise Landry, an attorney and Methodist minister. He was the first African American to be elected as mayor in the United States. LA-18 comes to an end at a junction with LA-1 and LA-3089 right on the edge of Bayou Lafourche. We conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.